Welcome back. Continuing the news. This evening on A Ray of Hope, the story of a young woman who has taken to social media to showcase just how capable she is, despite not having hands. Kian Morgan has more.
For 34-year-old Shay Reid, the local proverb, "Turn your hand make fashion," hits differently. That's because while she doesn't have hands, she definitely has learned how to make do with what she has. Born and raised in Westmoreland, Shay says growing up, not for a second did she ever feel less than ordinary.
I got to do all the same things. Nobody gave me the time to say, oh, woe is Shay. Maybe not let Shay do this.
From cooking a variety of dishes to polishing her toes with her toes, Shay says nothing's better than showing others that the disabled is in every way capable.
Some of the things that I'm able to do, there's no explanation of how I can do it, except God just decided I'm going to show off on this little one.
And if something is challenging, Shay is first to make light of the situation.
That's what me. How many times take out my laser on the bite? How take it out? Take out my little change out and little something and my hand can't go in there.
I appreciate the things that I can do and the things that are challenging for me. And when they are challenging, I'm like, okay, how can I make this work? And when I find how to make it work, I want to tell everybody.
Shay, who resides in Canada and is currently pursuing her master's in psychology, says for her, independence is a big deal.
I wanted to be able to care for myself. I wanted to, at some point, be able to care for my mom and family, get a job, contribute to society and everything. So finding ways that will help me to sustain that independence. And again, all of this came because of the foundation that was laid by my family.
A foundation she believes all families must have, especially for those raising disabled children.
Don't smother, don't hover. My mom, I'm sure she was afraid. She didn't know what people would say out there to me, but she didn't let that stop her from putting me out there.
She has also been using her platform to raise awareness for the disabled community.
I never know, a product manager might see the video and be like, you know what? A person with a disability needs to have a voice at the table when you're creating things.
She hopes sharing her story will lead to more respect for the disabled, as well as reduce stigmatization.
I'm not my disability. Like, I have it. It walks around with me. It's my big elephant that travels with me. But there's so much more to me than what is presented. The fact that you don't see me with fingers.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.